What's up, everyone? This is Motors, and today I'm going to show you how to get mods in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to basically do this is, I like this specific website, which is mcpedl.com. This is specifically mods for the Bedrock Edition. All you need to do is, and there's other websites as well, but over here, for example, let's say you want to find a specific mod, right? I'm just going to go on this specific one as an example. And in here, you can then just skip to downloads. You can look into it as well. They might have tutorials on how to do it as well. But usually the easiest way to, again, like I said, to do this is you want to download almost always both the behavior pack and the resource pack. So it's going to be two specific downloads. You're going to download both of them, and once you download them, you don't need to copy paste anything. You just double click into each one. So starting with the resource pack first, then the behavior pack, or vice versa, either or, it doesn't matter. They're going to essentially open up Minecraft, and then you'll literally see it in your resources section of Minecraft Bedrock. That's it. That's all you need to do. Just download it, double click into both of them. They'll automatically install basically. And then you should be good to go when you create a new world to be able to utilize it. Some obviously work with world or itself already, so you can just go to resource pack and go from there. But usually if you go to create a new world, you see the resource pack from there to be able to fully utilize it. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please thumbs up, guys, the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.